Hi, I'm Rashdan from Group 1. Will be present you about importance of the quality management system to company. I will talk about implementation of ISO 9000 standard in the quality management system of IKEA. Company has to a greater extent attempted to comply with ISO 9000 standard. The product of the company are attested to and are expected to comply with the national and international legislation of all the markets where the product are sold. There are strict specifications in place, hence compelling the suppliers to stick the strict requirement. IKEA continues to define and develop strict product requirements and make it possible for monitoring and verification of compliance. In order to ensure durable, healthy and safe quality product, IKEA the company has a test lab that is very useful when it comes to product development phase. This lab has been guaranteed and accredited to international standard. They are remarkable attempt by the company to use material from the sustainable sources and product constantly submitted to toughly durability tests. These sections consider how far the company has gone in embracing ISO 9000. Our group chose IKEA company to make a presentation on quality management. Here about importance of the quality management system to IKEA. There are 5 type importance of the quality management system to the IKEA. First, customer focus. Second, process approach. Third, continuous improvement initiative. Fourth, evidence-based decision making. And the last, relationship management at the company. First, customer focus. IKEA is an example of the few companies that have stayed true to the customer focus purposes. This aligns the company commitment to quality with the expectation of the customer as far as quality is concerned. The purpose of the brand has been to create a better everyday life for the consumer. Low price and good quality are embraced right from product development, choice of the supplier, quality testing and how the product are sold in store. There is also a Central Consumer Service Organization, IKSC. The staff for this organization received call from the customer across Sweden concerning everything ranging from the opening hours to product complaints. Every product has to be quality tested in the lab and thousands of the tests are carried each year to ensure that the quality standard expected by the customer are followed. All this shows the IKEA has attempted to understand both the current and the future needs of the customer, and it's striving very much to not only meet the requirement of the customer but also exceed their expectation. Second, process approach. The company has also tried as much as possible to embrace the process approach. For instance, the company is organized into 4 different main areas whereby the IKEA of Sweden product, the first area range. Secondly, the purchasing is undertaken by the agents who are responsible for placing order according to the specification of the company. Then there is the distribution and wholesale, which undertakes the distribution and transport of the finished product to the regional distribution center of the company and then across the globe. There are the sales function which are carried out by ensuring the uniformity of the selling method as well as the customer service standard in all the store belonging to the company. Sales, wholesale and distribution are properly leveraged courtesy of the company's stringent policy tailored towards quality improvement. This shows that the company has tried to manage the activity more efficiently by approaching some of these functions and the related resources as a processes. Third, continuous improvement initiative. IKEA been known for its modern architectural design while paying much attention to the operational details, cost control and continuous product development. The quality of the product has been remarkable, been on the rise courtesy of the continuous improvement and innovation measure. In a bid to achieve continuous improvement, the company has strived to have a value system in place which support innovation and continuous improvement. It has a well-defined governance and organizational structure that is meant to manage innovation. This can also to be seen in the major innovation that has been put in place by the company. The operative key performance indicator for the company measure the achievement in the term of the innovation status and the quality milestone that the company has been able to make over time. The company is one of the world leaders in innovation, and they strive to continuously find out what their customers spend their money on by using innovation to continuously improve their service and develop new service proposition, as well as the level innovation that are improved. As such, it suffices to say the continuous improvement in the overall performance of the organization has been permanent objective of the organization tailored towards aligning quality of product with the customer taste and preference. Fourth, evidence-based decision making. Most of the decisions that are made by IKEA are supported by some data that can easily be interpreted to create a framework for decision making. For instance, the company has successfully addressed the problem of supplying cheap and attractive furnishings courtesy of in-depth research that finally led to more informed decision making in improved quality. IKEA uses Opticom, which has assisted them to ask both the existing and the potential customer the question and then analyze the result. This eventually shaped the internal strategy and execution by the company. The total quality management principle also has proven to be effective in most companies that use them. The most make decisions based on TQM principle use are adherence to the customer needs a policy. Last, relationship management at the company. The company has a very comprehensive customer relationship management system that make it possible for the company to improve the quality delivered constantly. CRM has not only assisted in better customer service, but also give the customer a better value proposition. The relationship management with the suppliers has also impacted positively on the quality management system in the company. The relationship with the supplier has also been strengthened, thus leading to centralized supply chain planning in which standardization, integration, and specialization are embraced. This has led to numerous improvements in the operational performance, hence better quality in the organization. This implies that the relationship management has been a very important aspect quality management system of IKEA.